In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Wix Sitemap to Google Search Console. By the end, your site will be properly connected to Google, so your pages can be discovered and indexed more reliably. A sitemap is simply a file that lists your site's pages and helps search engines understand what to crawl, so getting this set up is a key early step for SEO. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Wix. Click the official Wix link to head to the platform. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your account. If not, sign in with the account that owns your website. Make sure you're using the correct login, especially if you manage multiple sites or work across different Google accounts. Once you're in, you'll see the Wix dashboard. If you have more than one site, select the one you want to connect. It's helpful to be in the site's dashboard, not just the editor, because the settings we need live in the dashboard's left-hand menu. From the left menu, go to Marketing and SEO. This is the section where Wix centralizes tools that help your site get found. Click SEO to open the search optimization tools. Next, open the SEO Setup checklist. This guided checklist walks you through the most important foundations for search visibility. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, and it keeps everything in one place so you don't miss any essentials. Under the first step of the checklist, you'll see an option to connect this site to Google Search Console. Search Console is Google's free tool for monitoring how your site appears in search results, tracking indexed pages, and identifying any technical issues. Click that option to begin. Now click Connect Now. A Google window will prompt you to choose or sign into the Google account you want to use. Follow the prompts and authorize the connection. Wix will automatically verify ownership behind the scenes and handle the technical details. This usually only takes a moment. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you've selected the right one for this project. Once the connection is complete, you're all set. Wix automatically generates your sitemap and submits it to Google for you, and it will keep that sitemap updated as you add, remove, or rename pages. You don't need to manually submit anything in Search Console every time you make changes, which saves you time and prevents mistakes. If you ever run into a hiccup, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account and that you're connecting the correct site in your Wix dashboard. Otherwise, you're good to go. Your sitemap is now in Google's hands, and your SEO groundwork is set.